Hi, this is Darnell with D-Grill. There's been some discussion or request on the vlog for a video about cleaning the grill and what that involves, and I'll say that is a bit of a task. After every cook I try and clean the grill, and in order to maintain the warranty you have to maintain the grill, which involves cleaning the grill. So I'm going to go through the process here today. Yesterday I was cooking some steaks and some wings and things, and so now I've got to clean the grill up. So I start with, I use this Citrusafe cleaner I get at Lowe's, and let me just point out I'm not getting paid by anybody to do any of this video as far as to make it. So, you know, nobody paid me to say that I use this product. It's what I actually use. And so I just spray that on the grates. I just spray it around and let it set for a minute, and also I'm going to spray some up top here. And some of this, because of the smoker that I use, some of this gets so smoke charred, like up top here, I just kind of don't do much with that because it just is going to be black. I try and get down here really clean because you don't want the food, you don't want any food leftovers down there because it causes flare-ups, catch fire, damage your grill. It's not good. So I'm going to come back in a minute and start showing you how I clean this off after that Citrusafe sets for a second. Alright, so I've got that grate inside. Now I'm going to be cleaning it. I use usually some Dawn dish fluid along with a wash rag, and still using some of that same tool to get underneath here, get some of this other stuff off. I'm just going to clean this. Okay, so I've got that grate all cleaned off, so I just set it here in the drying rack, and got to go out and get some other parts to clean, so I'll take you out. Flavorizer bars. I'm going to just basically take each of these 5 flavorizer bars out, and I'm going to get those silver metal catchers underneath the flavorizer bars, take them in the house, start cleaning them off. Before taking them inside, I just wanted to show you how those silver grates look before cleaning those. And just basically just get everything stacked up. And just basically carry these all out pretty much in one hand. Your grate off of my drip pan because I'm going to be needing that space. And so I've got my flavorizer bars along with these other silver grates out. I'm going to start cleaning them now, and I'll just be setting them over into the drip pan as I get them clean. So those silver grates were clean. I set them over into the drying rack for a moment, and I got those out the way because now I've got to clean the flavorizer bars. When cleaning the flavorizer bars, For the heavy caked on stuff, I can use this. Can't use this with the silver grates, so I'm going to scratch those up. So with the flavorizer, I can use this as well as regular rag and dishwashing fluid. So I'm going to clean all those grates, and you'll see me using different methods depending on how caked on they are. Alright, so those flavorizer bars have been cleaned off. They're drying. And while they're drying, I go out and I clean that interior case of the grill. So I take you back out. Alright, back outside. Got to clean the case. So I take some more of the Citrusafe, and once I get it turned to spray, I just spray some more liberally inside here. Just trying to loosen up some more of that grime. And give that a minute to set, bring it right back. Alright, let that Citrusafe set for a minute. Now I use this again, basically work it all around in here. Alright, so I've gotten a lot of it cleaned out with this tool here. Next, I go get myself a wash rag, and I'm going to take the wash rag and start wiping inside of here. So I got my wash rag. I'm going to start wiping all inside the case here, all around the gray area there, getting that cleaned off. Because of how I got to move around in there, I'm going to have to just bring you back when I'm done instead of showing you every moment of that. But I'll bring you right back. So I've got that interior case cleaned out there. I'm going to get the drip pan parts out and do those in a moment. I just also take a moment to wipe the front of the knobs and all this good stuff. Alright, I'm going to just get my washcloth cleaned off a little bit, come back and do some more wiping on this exterior before I take the drip pan and all in. Wiping this exterior some more with the rinsed off wash rag. Alright, so now I'm going to take the drip pan in. Well, this black part slides out underneath here. I'm going to take this in, and I'm going to get the drip pan. Basically that folds up. You slide that out. Slide this out here. I'm going to take all this inside and start cleaning it inside. Alright, so I've got the drip pan and the catcher and all inside. I'm going to start cleaning those. I just have to say, thank God through my Lord Jesus Christ this is almost over, because cleaning this grill is always a pain. As far as this inside drip pan thing here, Weber recommends that you replace this. I think they might want you to replace it like every cook or something, but I basically clean it out, and if it looks really worn, then I replace it. If not, I don't. But I'm going to go ahead and get the cleaning here. Okay, basically got everything all cleaned up. I just leave this stuff out in here to dry out a little bit, and I'm going to go start putting things back together in the grill. So I'm going to take you back out as I put things back together. Alright, I'm going to start putting these silver grates back in. I'm going to go get that drip pan assembly and put that back down bottom, so I'll bring you back out with that. I get the drip pan assembly put in place. I take this part here, goes in this way, goes in this way, and then slide that, snap in place, and take this part, slide it in here. So you see that there. Next, I'm going to get the flavorizer bars. Now in goes the flavorizer bars. One more. Alright, so those are in. Now I'm just going to put my one grate over here, because I usually use this side for the smoker box if I'm smoking. So I'll go get that. Another thing I wanted to point out, and I didn't clean those in this video, but it's something that is more of a seasonal type cleaning. Up underneath the grill, there are these insect catchers. It'd be kind of hard to show you them on video, but they're kind of like up and around the inside there. You're supposed to clean those off. Basically, if you haven't been using it in a while, some insect mess might get under there, and you just have to clean that. Alright, I said I was just going to go get one of the grates, but just for the aesthetics of this video closing out, I went and got both grates so you could just see the whole grill complete and clean. And this is the Genesis 2 E310 propane gas grill after it's been totally cleaned off. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel, you can share this video with your friends, and good eating.